Hey everyone, welcome to Magnitude. This is Moinak Dasgupta, and today we are going to talk about the locust attack which recently happened in India. We are also going to discuss about the important facts of this locust attack and also the threat India is facing right now. And at the last, we would like to discuss about the solutions which might be taken to solve this locust attack. So let's begin. So if we say in a simple language, locusts are the crop-eating insects belonging to the family of the grasshoppers. They are also the oldest migratory pest all over the world. But here lies an interesting fact. The grasshoppers are the solitary insects, means they doesn't move in a swarm. But these locusts, when the population density increases in a particular region, then they generally transform themselves to gregarious in nature. So what does the word gregarious mean? In ecology, gregarious means the tendency of an animal to move in a cooperative food hunting in groups. And now the terrible swarms are formed. Firstly, let us make one thing clear. The locust attack are not a recent attack because in the ancient history also you can find the names of the locust attack. Even in Bible as well as in Quran we can find the locust attack. In Egyptian tombs also we find the images of locust. But here is an important point. The locust originates from the East Africa and Sudan and they travels in a swamp to Saudi Arabia and Iran and then they move to Pakistan and India. Most interestingly, a single swarm of locust of nearly 1 square kilometer contains 40 to 80 million adult locusts. Now you can imagine a big cloud of insects moving above our head is tremendous to observe. A desert locust generally live and breed in semi-desert regions and they can move at a speed of 16 to 19 km per hour depending on the speed of the wind. We can also see that locust doesn't attack humans or any other animals. Even there is no evidence which proves that locusts carry diseases which might be harmful to humans as well as any other animals. So as we have already discussed that locusts are the crop-eating insects. So when a swarm of a locust moves to a single path, then each and every vegetation which came in its route, it completely clears it. Not a single vegetation is left after the swarm moved through that path. And most importantly, we will get to know that each and every locust, an adult locust, can eat almost the amount of food which is equivalent to its own weight. Yes, I know it's quite stunning. And a chain of locust is almost a swarm of nearly 1 kilometer can eat the food which is equivalent to the amount of food 35,000 people take in a single day. We have calculated this thing by taking us people will take a food of nearly 2 kg per day. And this creates a huge economic loss as well as a huge amount of crisis of food in that country. In India, it is recorded that this year the locust attack is the worst attack which occurred in the last 27 years. Actually, locust attack occurs in India in almost every year but in a very low amount. But this is the highest one. In this year, it is noted that a swarm is almost of length 2 to 3 kilometer is observed in India. Even the attack is first noted in Punjab, then the swarm gradually moves to Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and even it is also seen in various news channels that the swarm also entered in the town area also. Actually, the impact of this attack is assuming that it is due to the natural climatic condition or due to a natural process. This year, India was hit by a super cyclone named Amphan. If you see that the wind direction of Amphan, you can see that the winds are gradually moving inside the country. And this is initiating the swamps to move more inside the country. This is one of the major reason of the huge amount of swarm of the locust in India. Another important reason for the rise of this locust attack might be global warming. Global warming is an important reason for flood, and due to flood, a huge rise of moist soil and vegetation appears in each year. So, This is the main reason for huge breeding of this locust. And as well as this breeding increases, a population density of this locust also increases. So huge chances of forming swarm also increases. So if we don't control this locust attack in India, then in upcoming days it might be cause a huge economic loss to the country as well as a huge crisis of food in our country. Locust attack has been found in various parts of the world. So here comes the main part of the video, that which solutions are there which can control or at least stop this locust attack all over the world, or at least in our country. So there are various solutions. Out of them, one might be use of insecticides or pesticides. It can be sprayed over the farms or through air. But here lies a problem. The problem is the excessive use of these insecticides or pesticides may lead to various problems. It will cause harm to the environment as well as it may cause harm to various plants and other organisms. So another important solution might be use of eco-friendly pesticides or insecticides. Various experts has given their results that these eco-friendly insecticides or pesticides doesn't give a very huge result of killing this locust. So this is not as a very powerful solution. So another solution which is actually used by our Indian farmers, and that is a cheapest way to make noise. These locusts actually leave the place after hearing excessive noise or sound. So you can use loud systems of sound or any other sound boxes. Our local farmers has already used various utensils or various types of things which actually make sounds. But the fact is, this type of solution can be done in a short span. But it is not possible to do this amount of noise for a longer span of area. So hence it is not a conventional solution to use. Another interesting solution is, this solution is implemented by Pakistan government in a short area, that they used to buy these locusts from the farmers, and they used to pay for this locust to the farmers, and they are going to use this locust as a chicken eatable product, because locust contains high amount of protein. So if they use this as a chicken feed, then definitely it will be helpful, and they can use this chicken feed in a low cost, as well as the farmers will also be profitable by selling this locust. And we have also seen that locusts cannot fly at night, so it is easily done to catch this locust at night. Although these type of solutions are not yet confirmed that which one is best, but all these are under process and under testing. So as locust is a huge source of protein, so in some countries humans also eat locust, but although it is not preferred to eat because it as huge amount of pesticides and insecticides are given, so it may harm the human body also. So at the end, thank you everyone for watching this video. If you find the video informative, then please share the video with others and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the latest updates of our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button because it motivates us to make something new.